Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to integrate Popupsmart with Make. So before we start, there are some things to pay attention to. The first one is having a Make account, of course, and a Popupsmart account. If you don't have a Popupsmart account, you can create one for free. And then we need this invitation link to install the Popupsmart app in Make. You can find this at help.popupsmart.com. I also have my Popupsmart account here. This is my campaign. You can create one easily using our ready-to-use pop-up templates from the playbook. I also have my Make account right here. So let's start with this invitation link. Click Install, choose your organization, and continue with Install, then Finish Wizard. It directs you to make.com dashboard again. Now I'm going back to Popupsmart. I have this email form field element right here. When I click on it, I see the integration step and continue with add integration. You can just search for make.com and connect. Here we have the API key. I'll just copy it to clipboard and then let's go to Make again. Click create a new scenario. And then continue with the plus icon right here. Let's look for Popupsmart. Here we have it. Click Get Leads. And then create a connection. This is where I will paste the API key that I have just copied from my Popupsmart account. Save it. Okay, then you need to choose your campaign. In order to see your campaign right here, your pop-up campaign should be published. So if you can't see it right here, just go to your Popupsmart account, publish your campaign, and go back and click this refresh icon right here. But because my pop-up campaign is already published, I can see it. Then you can choose a limit and continue it. Okay, you can choose where to start. I will just continue it from now on. If you want, you can choose a specific date. Here we have the schedule settings about how often you want to run the scenario. You can choose 15 minutes minimum. Okay, let's run the scenario to activate it. Okay, I will just toggle this lastly to schedule my scenario. Okay, great. Now, when a new lead is created on your pop-up, the new lead module in your Make scenario is triggered according to how often you want to make to run this workflow. And remember, you can run the trigger for 15 minutes every time minimum. It should be equal to 15 minutes or higher. And you can use Make freely for up to 1,000 data. Let's go back to Popupsmart Builder. I just want to show you one last thing. We have the settings right here. As you can see, you can also make your integrations from here. If you want to add new integration, just click here and you will follow the same steps. And lastly, I just want to mention that Popupsmart will automatically sync all system and home data of the new subscribers from your selected campaign to Make. And you can find all the available parameters here for Popupsmart that can be used. I'll just leave the link to this document in the description box below. So that's how you can integrate Popupsmart with Make. If you have further questions, feel free to contact us and I'll see you next time.